Yo, what's going on, y'all? This is Alex Jenkins checking in one more again. I'm here to do an analysis on EURCHF. Now, y'all know I haven't done no analysis for y'all. Most of the time I do trades. That's pretty much it. But so I marked up a chart just to let you guys know what I see is about to happen here either sometime this week or maybe next week. You gotta be patient as a trader. If you ever watch anything on trading on YouTube or read anything, everybody says you got to be patient. So I'll be patient for this trade to happen. So what do I got going on my chart here? So right now I notice that we have an ascending triangle pattern here. So that's what I drew here with the white lines here. You can check it out. We have a support here, and we have a level of resistance here. So y'all know support was here at the previous low, and one of the old support levels was a prior support before, but ended up coming resistance. So we got that there. So now the market's set up. Now we got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. 5 months of movement here. So what do I expect? So anybody know what happens in an ascending triangle? This is a continuation pattern. So we got upside movement here, back down, upside movement here, back down. So right now the continuation is looking to break to the upside, and this is the zone it's going to retest here. How long it's going to take to get there, that'd be on you. So if you're a swing trader or you have patience to ride that out, boom, you're in and out. If you're a scalper, you're in and out this trade in no time. You get in somewhere up in here and ride it up to either 1.10914, or you can ride it up to 1.109509. Still a good trade. Now this zone here I got here, this is a ranging market. If anybody know anything about a ranging market, the market ranges for a while, but the market will not remain in this range forever. It has to leave. The price has to leave this area at some point. And so when it does, this is going to be a breakout. And I'm expecting it to be to the upside. Now, some of you Swiss franc players have broken down to the downside. And that's what we I think that was AUD, CHF. It broke down to the downside, but it was in a market that was moving down, so it kind of continued this trend pattern. I expect this to continue its trend pattern to move to the upside. I think USD Swiss franc, it moved to the upside. The US dollar is stronger than the franc, and I think the euro is stronger than the franc. So I think it's definitely going to move to the upside. We're just looking for some good news to come out so we can decide to make its move. But that's the analysis on Euro Swiss franc. Tell me what you guys think. If you like it, smash the like button. Leave some comments. Tell me what you think about Euro Swiss franc. Alex Jenkins checking out, y'all.